2 men have died after a light aircraft crashed in a field in Wiltshire. The plane is believed to have crashed yesterday evening at around 6 p.m. at Brimslade Farm, killing the pilot and a passenger. Police and paramedics were seen near Marlborough, and a spokesman confirmed that an investigation into how the crash happened had been launched. The plane is believed to have crashed in a field yesterday evening at around 6 p.m. in Brimslade Farm Pictured. Are paramedics at the scene. Police and paramedics were seen at Brimslade Farm near Marlborough. A spokesman for Wiltshire Police said, "We can confirm that 2 men have died following an incident involving a light aircraft yesterday evening. We received a report at approximately 6:30 p.m. that a light aircraft had crashed in a field in Brimslade, Marlborough. 2 men were confirmed deceased at the scene. Formal identification has not yet taken place. The Air Accidents Investigation Branch are leading the investigation. Our thoughts are with the families of those involved in this incident at this difficult time. The Air Accidents Investigation Branch are leading the investigation into the crash at the farm. 2 men were pronounced dead at the scene, but formal identification has not yet taken place," police said.